Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Navara blue, should stand heads on the road. To the rear you've had the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5V spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, connection of your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. And if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Sonos sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the 2-zone climate controls so both driver and passenger can set their preferred temperature, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the Audi phone box with wireless charging and 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake with 2 handy cup holders. This approved used Audi Q3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.